Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your cryptocurrency wallet addresses corresponding to any crypto asset supported by the FTX cryptocurrency wallet. So the process is fairly simple. First, I'm going to show you this using the desktop application, but if you're using the mobile application, the process is going to be quite similar. You may use the timestamp below to skip ahead to that part directly. So to access your wallet, you can simply head over to ftx.com. And after you log into your FTX account, you should see your name right over here. And when you click on this button, you will see this option to access your wallet. And over here under balances, you can get a full list of all the supported crypto assets by FTX wallet. So for the purposes of this tutorial, let's assume that we are going to deposit some USDT into our wallet. So right over here, you can see that there is one button called deposit. So you can click over here. And what you see right now is actually a bunch of different addresses. And if you're a beginner who is seeing this for the very first time, you might be extremely confused right now, aren't you? Well, there's a reason for having all of these different addresses. And it all relates to the specific network that you're intending to use to make this deposit. Well, actually you can receive USDT in this case using any of these addresses, but you need to be aware of the fact that the crypto wallet or the exchange from which you're transferring out your crypto might not support all of these different networks. Well, it's great if it does. That means you have the full freedom of choosing any of these networks. And typically from my experience, the Ethereum network tends to be more expensive. So in that case, I would rather use the Tron or Solana networks. And if I decide to use the Tron network, then this is the address that I would use in order to make this deposit. And I'll be cautious enough to make sure that I'm using the TRC20 network when I'm transferring the crypto out from my external wallet or the exchange. But guys, in case if the external wallet or the exchange that you're trying to get your crypto out from does not support these specific networks, that tends to be much cheaper. And if it only supports the ERC20 network, then guys, it's mandatory that you select ERC20 network and use this particular address, but none of these other addresses that you see over here. Very important, if you mix your addresses and networks, your coins will never arrive, and this is fairly common knowledge when it comes to transferring crypto from one place to another in general, not just FTX. So the process of obtaining the deposit address is going to be similar for the other crypto assets as well. For example, if I close this one and if I head over to Bitcoin, and if I would like to deposit some Bitcoin, I can just click over here. And you can see that FTX actually supports two different networks for depositing Bitcoin, with the first one being the BTC network, and over here you can see that it also supports Solana network for depositing Bitcoin into FTX wallet. So guys, before I wrap up this tutorial, I'm also going to quickly head over to the FTX mobile app. In case if you're wondering how to do all of this using the mobile app, you can see that there is one option called wallet right over here. So you can click on that and you have this deposit button similar to what you saw, and I'm going to click on the deposit button and you'll basically get the same list of different coins. And for an example, let's say that I would like to deposit some Litecoin. So I'm going to click over here on Litecoin, and you can see that Litecoin basically supports just only one network. That's the Litecoin network, the LTC network. So what I would do is I would just copy this deposit address and paste it on the crypto exchange or the wallet that I'm trying to transfer Litecoin out from. And you would be able to execute the transfer process without any issue. So guys, that's about it for this quick tutorial. If you do have any questions, add a comment down below. And we do have a bunch of cryptocurrency related explanatory videos and tutorials. If you're interested, you can actually check them out as well. And if you do like the channel, you can consider subscribing as well. That way, as soon as we post a video, you will be notified immediately. So thanks a lot for watching guys. I'll see you again with another video soon.